Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss exercise 1.3. This is the last part of exercise 1.3. In this video, we will convert a polar form into proper complex number. Means here the given question in the form of r into bracket cos theta plus I times sin theta, means this polar form is given. This is nothing but r. This polar form you have to convert in x plus I into y form, means standard complex form. In previous lecture, we have studied a standard complex number converted in polar form. For this we need r and theta, but here r as well as theta is given, you have to convert in x plus I into y form. It's very simple process. Let's start problems. Sum number 5. Express the following numbers in the form of x plus I into y. First sum is root 3 under root 3 into bracket cos pi by 6 plus I times sin pi by 6. Second one, root 2 into bracket cos 7 pi by 4 plus I times cos sin 7 pi by 4. Third one is 7 into bracket cos of minus 5 pi by 6 plus I times sin of minus 5 pi by 6. We'll see one by one. Solution for first. The polar form is root 3 into bracket cos of pi by 6 plus I times sin pi by 6. You are familiar with the value of cos of pi by 6. What is pi by 6? 30 degree. Means cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 degree is half. So just you have to substitute its value. Root 3 carry as it is, you have to write as it is into bracket. यहाँ पर जो आपको वैल्यू दिख रही है cos pi by 6, इसकी वैल्यू स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, प्लस I carry as it is into sin pi by 6 is half. And it's very simple, just you have to open the bracket. You will get root 3 into root 3 upon 2, that is 3 by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 into I, and which is nothing but x plus I into y form, means proper complex form. Okay, real plus imaginary number. That's it. यानी दो लाइन में आंसर इसका है ना, मीन्स पोलर फॉर्म कन्वर्ट इनटू प्रॉपर कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म. ये सिंपल क्यों हो गया? बिकॉज ऑफ यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड एंगल दिया है. इन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल एंगल इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड, थीटा इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. यहाँ पर दिया है 7 पाई बाय 4. थीटा क्या है? 7 पाई बाय 4. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स value, that is the polar form is root 2 into bracket cos 7 pi by 4 plus I times 7 pi by 4. Here you have to simplify cos 7 pi by 4. previous slide में हमने ये मीन्स प्रीवियस वीडियो में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर टू पोलर उस वक्त सॉल्व किया था. वापस सॉल्व करते इसे. cos of 7 pi by 4 is equal to cos of 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay. See, 2 pi minus pi by 4 lies in fourth quadrant. See, 1 pi, 2 pi minus something. यानी यहाँ पे 2 pi minus something में cos 2 pi minus something is nothing but in fourth quadrant. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cos क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है, राइट? तो इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी cos. एंड अगेन यू हैव known that value cos of pi plus 2 pi minus theta is cos, means cos n pi minus or plus theta is cos theta. its value positive or negative depends on quadrant. तो ये आ जाएगा cos theta. what is theta here? Pi by 4. that is cos pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. okay, so it become 1 upon root 2, and sin of 7 pi by 4 is again minus sin pi by 4, because of in fourth quadrant sign is negative. See, 2 pi minus something is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sign is negative, so it become minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, it value become root 2 into bracket. अभी यहाँ पे हम इसकी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दैट इज 1 अपॉन रूट 2 प्लस आई टाइम्स माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2, एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट open this 1 minus I, and which is in the form of x plus I into y form. That's it. Now question number third, sub question third, 7 times cos of, the polar form is 7 times cos of minus pi by 6 plus I times sine of minus pi by 6. So you have to find out cos of minus pi by 6, and that is nothing but, you know, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, तो ये पॉजिटिव हो गया, इसे हम लिखेंगे पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6, एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6 लाइज इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, एंड सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस क्या होता है, नेगेटिव, दैट इज माइनस कॉस पाई बाय 6, दैट इज 30 डिग्री. Okay, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, and it has minus sign, so its value is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, you have to find out sine of minus pi by 2, and it become minus half. So the polar form convert in the form of 7 into bracket minus root 3 by 2 plus I times minus 1 by 2. Now simplify this, multiply with 7 here, you will get minus 7 root 3 by 2 minus 7 upon 2 into I, which is in the form of x plus I into y. So the next problem for practice, just express the following numbers in the form of x plus I into y. Here second is very simple, pi by 4 is there, but 8 pi by 6 you have to convert, and if you have any problem, then you can see the previous video. You will get the standard value of cos 8 pi by 6 or sin 8 pi by 6. Just you practice this. Now question number 6 from your textbook. Find the modulus and argument of a complex number 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i. You know modulus means यहाँ पर हमें r निकालना है, r फाइंड आउट करना है, r and theta. Argument means theta. Okay, you have to find out r means mod z and theta, right, of the complex number 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i. तो इसे पहले प्रॉपर फॉर्म में करेंगे. जस्ट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन x प्लस आई इंटू वाई फॉर्म, इस फॉर्म में उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देन यू विल गेट r. व्हाट इज r? अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, राइट, एंड थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ y अपॉन x, और tan थीटा हम निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. दैट इज the given complex number is denoted by z, that is z is equal to 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i. Here ratio of two complex number, see this is nothing but ratio of two complex number, so multiply and divide by conjugate of denominator, it become 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i into 1 plus 3i upon 1 plus 3i. Just you have to open this bracket, just you have to simplify this, that is 1 into 1 is 1, then 1 into 3i, that is 3i, plus 2i plus 6i square upon 1 square minus 9i square, that is a square minus b square formula. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, इसका एडिशन करेंगे. 3i plus 2i is 5i, and what is i square? i square is minus 1, तो ये आ जाएगा minus 6 और ये आ जाएगा plus 9, तो डिनोमिनेटर में 10 आ जाएगा. दैट इज 1 plus 5i minus 6 upon 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9, and it become minus 5 plus 5i upon 10, and that is nothing but minus half plus half into I. So here x is equal to minus half and y is equal to plus half. We have r is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and substitute both the values, that is under root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Under root of 1 by 2 means 1 by root 2. R is 1 by root 2. That is nothing but modulus. Also we have cos theta r upon x upon r. Now substitute x as well as r here, minus half upon 1 upon root 2, and that is nothing but minus 1 upon root 2. Similarly, sin theta is equal to y upon r, that is 1 upon root 2. Okay. So theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay, theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, because of we have cos 3 pi by 4 is equal to cos of pi minus pi by 4 is nothing but minus cos pi by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2. And sine of 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine of pi minus pi by 4. This is lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive, so it is 1 upon root 2. So modulus is 1 upon root 2, and argument or amplitude theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. That's it. Okay. Now question number 7. Convert the complex number I minus 1 upon cos pi by 3 plus I times sin pi by 3 in polar form. ओके, इन पोलर फॉर्म सी यहाँ पर जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर दिया है ये सबसे पहले इसे x प्लस आई इंटू वाई फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देन पोलर फॉर्म, पोलर फॉर्म दैट इज r इंटू ब्रैकेट कॉस थीटा प्लस आई टाइम्स साइन थीटा. ओके, तो यहाँ पर हमें थीटा एंड आर चाहिए, राइट. थीटा एंड आर चाहिए. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट z इज इक्वल टू द गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पाई बाय 3. पाई बाय 3 मीन्स 60 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पर हमें cos 60 sin 60 पता है. जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट बोथ द वैल्यूज हियर. माइनस आई प्लस माइनस आई आई माइनस 1 अपॉन हाफ प्लस आई टाइम्स रूट 3 बाई 2. तो इसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे इसे. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर सिंप्लीफाई करना है बिकॉज ऑफ हियर 2 इज सेम. सो 1 प्लस रूट 3 इंटू आई अपॉन 2. तो 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, दैट इज 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट आई माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस आई रूट 3. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट. ये ब्रैकेट ओपन करना है अभी, एंड मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय कॉन्जुगेट, दैट इज 2i माइनस 2 मीन्स इसे हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, माइनस 2 प्लस 2i अपॉन 1 प्लस रूट 3 इंटू आई मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस आई रूट 3. ओके, तभी वो ओपन करेंगे इससे. माइनस 2 इंटू 1 माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस दैट इज प्लस. इट बिकम माइनस 2 प्लस 2 रूट 3 इंटू आई प्लस 2i minus 2 root 3 I square upon 1 minus 3 I square, and that is nothing but minus 2. You have to collect the real part here. See here minus 2 and ये आ जाएगा प्लस. I square is minus 1 minus minus become प्लस. तो ये एक साथ लिख देंगे माइनस 2 प्लस 2 रूट 3, और यहाँ से प्लस कॉमन ले लेंगे हम. प्लस इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 रूट 3 प्लस 2 इंटू आई अपॉन 1 प्लस 3 दैट इज 4. तो यहाँ से 2 कॉमन लेंगे, 2 कॉमन लेंगे एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 4, तो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इट बिकम माइनस 1 प्लस रूट 3 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 प्लस रूट 3 अपॉन 2 इंटू आई, वेयर x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 plus root 3 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 plus root 3 upon 2. We have r is equal to x square plus under root of x square plus y square. अभी यहाँ पे हम दोनों भी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग you will get root 2. r is equal to under root of 8 upon 4, that is root 2. We have cos theta is equal to x upon r, and that is nothing but minus 1 plus root 3 upon 2 divided by root 2, and that is nothing but root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly sin theta, see this is not standard value. Okay, ये जो है cos theta, ये जो वैल्यू आए दिस इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड, तो इसे हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे. sin theta is y upon r, and that is nothing but after simplifying you will get root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. अभी यहाँ पे थीटा तो नहीं मिल रहा हमें, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट tan थीटा. Tan theta, what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. After simplifying, you will get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now the polar form of a given complex number z is equal to r into bracket cos theta plus I times sin theta. Substitute the value here. What is r? Root 2 into bracket cos theta plus I times sin theta, where theta is tan inverse of root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, or you can keep tan theta as it is. Okay, either you have to find out theta from this value. What is theta? Theta भी लिख सकते हैं आप, that is theta is equal to, where theta is equal to tan inverse of root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, और tan theta keep as it is. This is the polar form of the given complex number. Now question number 8. For z is equal to 2 plus 3i, verify the following. This one is very simple. First one is conjugate of z bar is equal to z. Then show that z into z bar is equal to mod z the whole square. Then z plus z bar is real, and last one is z minus z bar is 6i. First one, it is given that z is equal to 2 plus 3i. We need z bar, therefore z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. What is z bar? Z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. Now we have to prove that this one. Again take conjugate on both sides. This means conjugate of z bar is equal to conjugate of 2 minus 3i, that is nothing but 2 plus 3i, and that is equal to z. Means it is conjugate of z bar is equal to z. Hence the proof. Now second one, z into z bar is equal to modulus of z bar, z the whole square. It is given that z is equal to 2 plus 3i, therefore z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. Now LHS, what is LHS? Z into z bar means conjugate, z into z conjugate is equal to, substitute both the values, 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. Just you have to apply a plus b into a minus b formula. Otherwise you can open this, that is 2 square minus 3 square I square. Okay, or directly you can write 2 square means 4 minus 9 I square. What is I square? I square is minus 1, so it become plus. So 4 plus 9, and that is nothing but 13. Suppose this is equation number 1. Also modulus of, we have z bar or modulus of z is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and that is nothing but RH is equal to mod z the whole square is equal to under root of 2 square plus 3 square the whole square. ये अंडर रूट एंड ये स्क्वायर ये दोनों कट हो जाएंगे, मीन्स इट गेट कैंसल. दैट इज 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस 9, दैट इज 13, और अंडर रूट ऑफ 13 द होल स्क्वायर इज 13. So from 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. Now third part is as z is equal to 2 plus 3i, therefore z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. Then consider z plus z bar is equal to, substitute both the values, 2 plus 3i plus 2 minus 3i. यहाँ पर देखिए 2 3i and minus 3i get cancelled, it become 4. So that is nothing but 4 which is purely real. Okay. Now fourth part is also very simple, that is z, here it is given that z is equal to 2 plus 3i and z bar is equal to 2 minus 3i. Consider z minus z bar is equal to 6i. 2 get cancelled here, plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, 6i, and which is nothing but RHS. Okay. Now question number 9, and this is the last question. If z1 is equal to 1 plus I, z2 is equal to 2 minus 3i, verify the following. That is, first one is conjugate of z1 plus z2 is equal to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. Second one, conjugate of z1 minus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 minus conjugate of z2. Third one is, conjugate of Z1 into Z2 is equal to conjugate of Z1 into conjugate of Z2, and similarly in ratio form. Now we'll see one by one. Solution for first. It is given that Z1 is equal to 1 plus I and Z2 is equal to 2 minus 3I. Okay. Then first we have to find out addition, means यहाँ पे हम पहले Z1 plus Z2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे, राइट. Z1 plus Z2 देन उसका कॉन्जुगेट लेंगे. कंसिडर Z1 plus Z2, that is substitute both the values here. See here Z1 is 1 plus I and Z2 is 2 minus 3I. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and I minus 3I is minus 2, that is 3 minus 2I. Okay, ये आ गया इसका एडिशन. नाउ इट्स कॉन्जुगेट. Okay, means you have to write there LHS, that is LHS is equal to LHS is conjugate of Z1 plus Z2, that is conjugate of 3 minus 2I is equal to 3 plus 2I, that is equation number 1. Now RHS, what is RHS? Z1 conjugate plus Z2 conjugate, that is what is the conjugate of 1 plus I, that is 1 minus I, plus conjugate of 2 minus 3I is 2 plus 3I. So adding this you will get 3 plus 2I. From 1 and 2 we get conjugate of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to conjugate of Z1 plus conjugate of Z2. That's it. Now second part is same type. As Z1 is equal to 1 plus I and Z2 is equal to 2 minus 3I. सो कंसिडर Z1 माइनस Z2. तो ये सिमिलर टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं कॉन्जुगेट लेके. ओके, एकदम इजी क्वेश्चन है. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज बोथ numbers are given. Now product Z1 into Z2, that is 1 plus I into 2 minus 3I. Just open the bracket, that is 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into minus 3I, that is minus 3I plus 2I minus 3I square. After simplifying you will get 5 minus I. Okay, 5 minus I. Consider LHS. What is LHS? Conjugate of Z1 into Z2. Okay, right. So it become 5 plus I. तो इसकी वैल्यू आ जाती है 5 plus I. That is equation number 1. Now RHS Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. What is Z1 conjugate? Z1 conjugate is 1 minus I into 2 plus 3I. Just open the bracket. After simplifying you will get 5 plus I. From first and second you will get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now question number 4 is again same type, that is show that conjugate of Z1 plus upon Z2 is equal to conjugate of Z1 conjugate upon Z2 conjugate. Consider Z1 upon Z2, that is substitute both the values 1 plus I upon 2 minus 3I. See, first you have to simplify this, that is multiplying divided by conjugate of this one denominator. So 1 plus I upon 2 minus 3I into 2 plus 3I upon 2 plus 3I. तो यह सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद हमें, ये तो बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस हो गई, आप आराम से कर सकते हैं इसे, दैट इज -1 अपॉन 13 प्लस 5 अपॉन 13 इंटू आई. ये आ गया Z1 अपॉन Z2 की वैल्यू, राइट. अभी हम इसे कॉन्जुगेट करेंगे. व्हाट इज LHS? कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ Z1 अपॉन Z2. तो ये बीच में जो है ये प्लस का ये माइनस हो जाएगा, दैट्स इट. ओके, ये प्लस का माइनस होगा. देखते हैं. दैट इज LHS मीन्स कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ Z1 अपॉन Z2 is equal to 1 -1 upon 13 minus 5 upon 13 into I. That is equation number 1. Now RHS is Z1 conjugate upon Z2 conjugate is equal to, अभी इसे वापस सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग इसे हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट, सॉरी नॉट 8, क्या रहा है, 9 इज देयर, 4 plus 9. ओके, यहाँ पे 4 आ गया, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 9, 3 square ना, 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9 is there. Then it is nothing but -1 upon 13 minus 5 upon 13 I, that is equal to equation second. From 1 and 2 you will get LHS is equal to RHS, hence the proof. ओके, तो यहाँ पर हमें एक्सरसाइज 1.3 कंप्लीट हो गए. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है देन शेयर इट with your friends, and thank you for watching.